Hey, what's up guys, this is Tario Sultan. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'd like to share with you some tips and tricks on Zoom. Specifically, I'd like to share with you how to share your internal sound when you're in a meeting. Okay, without further ado, let's jump into it. So first thing first, let's fire up your Zoom. If you don't have it installed, the link is in the description. Click on New Meeting. You want to conduct a new meeting and join in with the computer's audio. And I'm going to record this video for now so I can share with you guys later how this is played out, right? So there's few cases for this, right? The first case is you are in a meeting, the entire team is on a meeting. You want to share a piece of audio or video. You want everybody else in the team to hear that audio. So what you do is simply click on share. And don't click anything yet. So this is a little tricky. On the bottom left, you're going to see this option says share sound. If I hover on it, it says make sure this is checked if you want others to hear your sound coming from the share screen. So if I select the right screen that I want to share, and if I click on this, and if I play any sound that's in this screen, so the rest of the team or people on the Zoom will be able to hear that as well. So let's just to give it a test round, I'm going to click on share. I have an audio right here sitting here. I'm going to play this audio. I can adjust the volume. And I can hear that audio as well, just to let you guys know. If you want to speak over certain audio, make sure the audio level is adjusted, right? Otherwise, you know, you're gonna have a lot of peak and distortion of sound. That's because like you blast the entire volume here as well as your mic. You kind of have to mix them a little bit, just like this. Make sure if you want to talk it over, you bring the volume down. I'm going to stop sharing. That is the first test. So the first case works really well when you only want to share your screen and play that audio. So the second case plays out slightly different. If I share screen, you can see there are three tabs here: Basic, Advanced, and Files. Come to Advanced. You're going to see a few options depending on your setup. In my case, I have this part. The third option says music or computer sound only. If you're a host of a meeting and if you want to play some nice background music in the entire meeting, then this option will work out perfectly for you. Because computer sound is playing, I'm gonna play some music again in the background, just a little bit so you can notice it. So now I'm not sharing my screen yet, right? And then I have a music playing in the background, very low volume. And now if I share my screen again, just like this, come to basics. If I share one of my screens, and then the audio should be still playing just like before I share my screen. Just to quickly recap, case number one works really well when you only want to share your audio in a shared screen scenario. When you click on share screen, you select the one you want to share, you toggle this little checkbox, and it will play the sound during your sharing screen. Case number two is we don't have to toggle this. We come to advanced. This works really well when you are a host of a meeting. So if you want to play some music in the background entirely, but be careful though. If you play some stuff in the background you don't want people to hear, make sure you don't have that option open. If you come to your Zoom, right? If you click on Command, comma, this will open up the settings. For those who don't want to do this, just come to Zoom and come to Preferences. If you come to Audio section and scroll to the bottom, you're going to see this option says press and hold space key to temporarily unmute. So this works really well when everybody is muted, and if a person suddenly asks you a question and you don't have to come find your screen and find this button and mute yourself and unmute yourself just like this. What you can simply do is if you're in a situation that you muted yourself, just click on space. So it will temporarily unmute yourself. And if I let go of the space bar, and it will go back to the mute position. That's it guys, hope you enjoyed this video. From now you know that how to share your internal sound during a Zoom meeting. If it worked for you, make sure you drop some comments below so others can see that as well. This is Tario, thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.